So for the next point, that is decimal to hexadecimal here now. So hexadecimal is nothing but 16 here now. 16 numbers are there, 0 to f. We are going to call that one 0 to f. We are going to call that one here now. So this 345 we have to convert into hexadecimal numbers here. So 345 we have to do 16 divide system we have to do here now. So 16 into how much, which will get the nearer value here now. That is called 21 they have used here now. 16 into 21. How much it is? 16 into 21?
336.
336. So 345 minus 336 is nothing but how much remainder left here?
9.
9 is the remainder left. So I will write this one as 9 here now. So 16 into 1, 21. 16 into 2 is nothing but 32. It will come here now. So 16 into 1, it is nothing but 16. So 21 minus 16.
5.
21 minus 16 is nothing but 5 here now. So 5 we are writing here now, reminder. So this one also we have to consider here now. So from this 159, we can write like this 159.
Yes, sir.
159. Yes. So we can do like this conversion we have to do for the decimal to hexadecimal number. The decimal to any form you do here, so you have to do the divide system you have to use here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So can you solve one more example I will give? Can you find the value of this one? 423. I will write here now. 4, 2, 3. You have to convert this one into hexadecimal number. 16 I will write here. 16. Hexadecimal number you have to convert here now. (43) divided by 16.
One 1107.
How much?
1107.
No, wrong. 1107 means wrong. Next. Any other answers? So 16 into how much, which will get the nearer value here now?
26.
16 into
26.
26 here now. 16 into 26 is nothing but how much it will give? 416, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
416. What is the remainder left here now?
7.
7 I will
7.
write here now. Okay. 7 I will write
Yes.
here. 16 into 1. 16 into 1 is nothing but 16. So 26 minus 16, how much it is?
10.
10. 10 को hexadecimal number में क्या बोलते हैं हम? A we have to use here now. That is the important thing here now. So here the left term is remainder is 1A7. 1A7 we have to use here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10 बोल के नहीं बोल सकते हमने, ये बोल के बोलने का hexadecimal form we have to write, we have to use A for the 10. 11 को B यूज करने का, 12 को C यूज करने का, 13 को D, 14 को E and 15 को F यूज करने का. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So binary to, sorry, decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal we have converted here now. Is it clear? Decimal number we have converted into decimal to all binary हो गए, octal हो गए और hexadecimal हो गए. Yes, 10 binary decimal number is converted into binary, octal and hexadecimal here. Okay. So same for the point system. Again, you have to do the multiplication factor upper to downside. You have to bring here now. Same thing into 16 you have to do here now. This is common for all that one. Same like that. Okay. Next we'll go for अभी डेसिमल से बाइनरी हो गए है ना, डेसिमल से बाइनरी ऑक्टल हेक्साडेसिमल हो गए. नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे हम, बाइनरी टू द डेसिमल, बाइनरी टू द ऑक्टल, बाइनरी टू द hexadecimal we have to do here now. Okay, so I will give the binary number here now. First what we will do, we'll take the binary number here now. It is binary number.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes, sir.
binary number we have to convert into decimal number. We have to convert here now. Binary to the decimal we have to convert here now. See, count from the this starting point you have to consider here now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there here now? 0 to 4 are there.
4.
0 to 4 is there here now. So this one is 0 and this one is 4 here now. So to convert into decimal number, what we have to do? This one I will write here in as it is. This 1 into which number it is?
2.
Binary number. So 1 into 2 to the power of how much is, which number it is? What is the place of this number? Fourth place is
4.
there. So 1 into 2 to the power of 4 we have to write here now. Plus next 1 into 2 to the power of
3.
3.
3. Next plus 1 into 2 to the power of
2.
2. 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of
1.
1
1.
plus 1 into 2 to the power of
0.
0. You have to write like this here now. You have to write like this. This 1 into first starting only 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number we have to count here now. Okay. Either say this 2 into 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 1. This respective number we have to do the multiplication and summation of all that numbers. It will give the answer here now. So 2 to the power of 4 is nothing but 16. Yes.
Yes, sir.
1 into 16 is nothing but 16 here now. 2 to the power of 3 is nothing but 8. 1 into 8, it is 8 here now. 2 to the power of 2, it is nothing but 4. 1 into 4, it is nothing but 4 only. 0 into 2 to the power of 1, it is nothing but 2. 0 into some anything, it is nothing but
0.
0 only. So 2 to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. 2 to the power of 0 is 1 here now. 1 into 1?
1.
1 only.
1.
Just a minute. Hello? Okay. So 16 plus 8, how much it is? 24. 16 plus 8, how much? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
16 plus 4?
20.
16 plus 4, 20. एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन भी डिफिकल्ट है क्या तुम लोगों को? 16 प्लस सॉरी 4 बोल रहा हूँ क्या? ठीक है ठीक है. 16 प्लस 8 हाउ मच इट इज?
24.
24. 24 प्लस 4
28.
28.
28 plus 1
29.
29.
29 here now. So this binary value is converted into decimal number here now. This is decimal number, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Like this, we have to do the conversion. We have to do here now. We have to do the conversion here. Is it clear? I think.
Yes, sir.
I think it is clear only. I think. I don't know about that. Yours here now. Suppose if it is in the point system is there. Remember that one. Here 1101.1011 like that it is there here now. Yes. ऐसा है तो क्या करने वाले तुम लोग? How you are going to write that one? How you are going to write that one? That is also important only, no? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes.
So, what you have to do here now? Here the point is there. This is the point. Yes? Both sides, you start counting here now. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes? 3 numbers are there here now. 0 to 3 here. The original value here now. After the point, again you consider this one 0 only. This one you consider as, so you are considering this one as 0 here now. ये 0 consider कर रहे तो point से पहले क्या करने का -1 consider कर सकते. अभी एक ग्राफ है, सोचो इसको, एक ग्राफ है. This is the 0 point. Here 1, 2, 3 are there. This side का माइनस कंसिडर कर सकते हैं हम.
Yes,
-1, -2, -3 like this. Can consider. So same thing we
Yes,
have
sir.
to do here in this place also. We can consider as here 0 is there. Then we have to write -1. This for this one -1. For this one -2, -3, -4. We can write here. -1, -2, -2, -4 like that we can write here. So we'll start here now. 1 into, sorry, this one 1 into 2 to the power of 3
3.
here plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2. Just a minute. So 1 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1
1.
plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0 here. 1 into 2 to the power of 0. It is over here now. Two parts we have made here now. Next, what will happen? This 1 into 2 to the power of how much we have to consider? -1 we have to consider here now. This is -1, na? 1 into 2 to the power of -1 plus 0 into 2 to the power of, बोलिए मैडम. हाँ मैडम. So 1 into 2 to the power of -1, 0 into 2 to the power of -2, next plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 to the power of -3, and last 1 into 2 to the power of -4 here now. So 2 to the power of +3 is nothing but how much?
8.
8 we have written here now. Yes. Next 2 to the power of 2.
4.
4.
4 into 1. 4 we have written here now. 0 into multiplication of anything, it is 0 only. 0 we have written here now. 1 into 2 to the power of 1. 0 is nothing but 1. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1 here now.
1.
We have written here now plus 2 to the power of -1 is nothing but,
Half.
is nothing but, it is nothing but 1 by 2 we can write down here now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 to the power of +1. Yes, is nothing but half. Half into 1 is nothing but half we can write here. Yes. 0 into multiplication of anything, it is 0 only. So 2 into 2 to the power of minus 3 is nothing but 1 divided by 2 to the 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3 is nothing but 1 by 8, we can tell.
Yes, sir.
1 into 1 divided by 8 is nothing but 0.015. Next, 1 divided by
16.
1 divided by 2 to the power of plus 4 is nothing but 16. Yes, 1 divided by 16 is nothing but 0.0625. We can call that one here now. So where is the part here now? We have to make two parts here now. This is the before point. This is after point here now. This term is after point here now. 8 plus 4,
12.
12 plus 1,
13.
13.
13 we have to write here now. Next we have to give the point here and we add all these things. We have to write here now. This will give the value here now. We have converted binary to the decimal here now. Any doubts? 13.6875. We have converted that binary number into the decimal number. We have converted here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what we have to do? It will complete binary to the decimal. Who will absent for the today class? For them, it is very difficult, I am telling. Okay. Next, we will go for the next one is binary to the octal number here now. Octal number को हम 2 to the power of 3 ऐसा use नहीं कर रहे. Okay. Which number it is? Binary number is there here. Yes. Octal कितने numbers रहते? 8 numbers रहते. Octal numbers means 8 number रहते. That is called 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and last one is 1, 1, 1. Like that rest octal numbers. So octal numbers written in the binary here now is nothing but this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. Yes, this one is 7 here now. Like this we are considering 8 numbers here now. So what we have to do? How many digits are there binary? For the octal numbers, how many we have to consider? 3 digits here now. Yes, all are 3 are there. All digits are 3 only.
Yes, sir.
So these 3 digits, what we have to do? We have to consider like this here now. First 3 digits we have to consider. That is 0, 1, 1. I will write one separate part you write down here now. 0, 1, 1 का एक part हो गए. Next A 0, 1, 1 का और एक part हो गए. है ना? Last कौन सा left हो गए अभी? Only one term left here now. इसका पहले 2 0 ऐड करो ना इसको. है ना? Whatever it may be, 0 इसका पहले का 0 you will not consider that one. So it will become 0, 0, 1 हो गया अभी.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 0, 1, 1 is nothing but 2 plus 1, how much it is? Nothing but 0, 4, 8, 4, 2, 1 formula apply करो ना. Directly. 2 plus 1, 4, 3. 3 का formula कहाँ है? 3 is nothing but 0, 1, 1 is the 3 here now. We can write here now 3 here now. Here also 0, 1, 1 is there, 3 here now. Only one term is there, that is called 1. We can write here now. So this binary number is converted into octal number, that is called 133. 133. It is converted here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
doubts?
No, sir.
No doubts? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So then you do one conversion here now. I'll write one more value here. You write this one conversion, you do immediately. 1 1 0 0 1 1. You convert this one into octal numbers. Convert this one into octal numbers. ओवर, इतना सोचने की जरूरत भी नहीं है।
123. 23.
123 wrong.
63.
63 is the correct answer. How many digits you have to consider here now? इधर 2 है, इधर से consider करो. First 3 digits you have to consider this 3. So it is nothing but 0 11 you consider here now. Next one more last term that is called 11 0
Zero.
here now. 110 is nothing but what here now? 8 plus
6.
4.
4 plus 2, sir.
Sorry, हाँ हाँ, इसके पहले एक consider करना है ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
one 8 is, it doesn't matter here now. 4 plus 2, how much it is?
6.
6 here now. And 2 plus 1 is nothing but
3.
3.
363 is the correct answer. How you are telling that one 123, 124? Okay. If it is with the point 0 point something है इसमें 1101.011 है, इसको octal में conversion करना है हम. What we have to do here, the point is there. Yes, ये पॉइंट से दिस
Yes,
साइड हमने काउंट करने का, ये पॉइंट से ऐसा 3 डिजिट्स कंसीडर करते जाने का हमने, इधर सेंटर में पॉइंट रखने का. अभी 101 आर द 3 पॉइंट्स हो गए, 3 टर्म्स हो गए, 3 डिजिट्स. सो 101 आई विल राइट हियर नाउ. नेक्स्ट, इसको सिर्फ ओनली 1 इज देयर, इसका पहले 2 जीरो ऐड कर सकते,
Yes, sir.
001 लिखा है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट विल कीप एज इट इज हियर नाउ. नेक्स्ट these 3 points, 3 digits you consider here now, 011, and here 1 लिखो, उसका आगे 2 डिजिट्स ऐड करो, 100 हो गई. यस, पॉइंट को बीच में पॉइंटर दो, उसको लेफ्ट साइड पॉइंट से चालू करने का हम लोग, पॉइंट से इस साइड में जाने का, पॉइंट से इस साइड में 3 डिजिट्स कंसीडर करते जाने का. ओके, सो 101 is nothing but 4 plus 1 is nothing but
5.
5.
5, and this one is nothing but 1 is there, 1 here now. Point you keep as it is here now. And 011, 2 plus 1 is nothing but
3.
3, and this is 4. So 115.34 we can write down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15.34 we have written here now. So if the point is there, means what we have to do, we have to make a group of 3 bits, 3 bit consider करने का, which is starting from point से चालू करने का, point so इस साइड में and इस साइड में. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we'll go for the binary to the hexadecimal. We'll start now. Binary to the hexadecimal. See here. अभी हमने क्या हो गए, अभी 3 डिजिट्स कंसिडर किए तो उसको ऑक्टल बोले हमने. Yes. Now what we have to consider? We have to consider 4 digits now here now. 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0, like that. Here we have to write up to the 1 1 1 here now. So it's nothing but 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 up to A या A B C D E F तक आ जाने का. Yes, F तक आ जाने का. Okay, already we know that one hexadecimal number 0 to F is there. Okay, see here, this is the number they have given, binary number. We have to convert into hexadecimal number here now. Make 4 numbers का group बनाओ. अभी इधर से चालू करने का, left side, right side से left. Here 4 digits are over here now. 1010 we can consider here now. Yes.
Yes, sir.
1010. So apply the 8421 formula. 8 plus 2
10.
10.
10 is nothing but hexadecimal में
A.
कौन सा है? A.
A.
So A we can write down here now. Here only one term is left. उसका पहले 2 0 ऐड करो. 2 plus 1
3.
3A हो गए conversion.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is nothing but 3A. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So can you convert another one? I will tell you.
Yes, sir.
You take this formula. This one you write down 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. You convert into hexadecimal number.
$35.
35 35 or 25?
$35.
Sir.
Okay, very good, very good. 35 is the correct answer. All of you got this 35?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only 10 minutes में meeting end होने वाला है. Okay, so it is, if it is before point, if it is point में है तो वो कैसे करने वाला है तुम लोग अभी? This one only I have given. इधर point center में लिखने का, इसको फर्स्ट 4 डिजिट से पॉइंट से इधर 4 डिजिट्स कंसीडर करते जाने का, स्टार्टिंग 4 डिजिट्स, इधर भी 4 डिजिट्स कंसीडर करने का, 3 डिजिट्स है उसका आगे एक 0 ऐड करो, 1100 इज नथिंग बट 8 + 4 हाउ मच?
12.
12 मींस हेक्साडेसिमल में कितना है?
C.
C. 10 को ए, 11 को बी, 12 को सी. यस, 35 सी हो गए.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is the thing we have to discuss here now. Abhi hexadecimal is over now. So binary to the decimal is different. Binary to decimal हमने कैसे किए? 2 to the power यूज किए, याद है ना?
Yes, sir.
Binary to decimal 2 to the power of 4 3 2 1 0, like that we have used. But for the binary to the octal number, we are considering the 3 digits bits, we are considering octal and hexadecimal को bits consider कर रहे हैं. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So decimal को हमने bit consider नहीं कर सकते. It will not give the answer for you people because it will give the value of hexadecimal. It will give. See, for the hexadecimal number for 0 to 16, 0 to 16 numbers completely will get 4 digits आ जाएगा हमको. Starting 4 digits and end also 4 digits. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, 1 1 1 1 1 end. For the octal number starting 3 digits चालू हो जाएगा, 0 0 से 1 1 1 1 शुरू हो जाएगा. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But for the decimal numbers starting हमने चूज अलग करते हैं, end भी अलग हो जाएगा, बीच में 3 digits and it is combination of 3 bits and 4 bits. So it is not applicable for the decimal, only for the applicable for the octal and hexadecimal it is applicable
Hexadecimal.
here. So for the decimal we have to use 2 to the power of 4 3 2 1, how many bits are there, according to that we have to consider here now. So next we'll go for the, which one? Binary to hexadecimal is over now. Octal to the decimal, decimal to all हो गए, अभी binary to all हो गए. Yes. So the next term we are going to consider here now. Octal to binary से पहले हमने क्या करने का? Octal to decimal we'll discuss here now. See, for the anything octal to decimal रहने दो, hexadecimal to decimal रहने दो, और binary to decimal रहने दो. हमने दूसरा नंबर से डेसिमल को कन्वर्शन करने के टाइम दैट नंबर व्हिच फॉर्म में है वो नंबर टू द पावर ऑफ नंबर ऑफ बिट्स वी हैव टू यूज हियर. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes,
सो
sir.
132 8 ऑक्टल नंबर है, इसको है डेसिमल में कन्वर्शन करना है. 0 1 2, हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर? 0 1 2 3 डिजिट्स आर देयर. यस, 3 bits are there. So 1 into a to the power of 2 plus 3 into a to the power of 1 and plus 2 into a to the power of
0.
0. So 8 into 8 ja
64.
64.
64. 1 into 64, 64 here no. 8 into the power of 1 is nothing but 8 only. 8
8.
into 3, 24 here.
24.
8 into the 0, 8 into the power of 0 is nothing but 1 only. 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 here now. So
2.
90 we have converted here now. 90 we have converted here. If it is point hai, suppose it is there in between 132.26 hai, socho 26. इसको 8 to the power of -1, 8 to the power of
-1.
-2
minus 2.
ऐसा यूज करने का. Is it clear? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
the octal to the decimal number we are going to consider here now. Octal to the decimal. I told you people, if it is in the point system, if it is in the point system means we have to consider 8 to the power of -1, -2 we have to consider here now. So this is octal to the decimal, we are going to call that one here now. Next, octal to the binary we'll discuss here now. Octal to the binary. See here, 1675 is the octal number is there. 1576. Octal में अभी binary में लिखना है तो कितना है? 3 bits use करते हैं. 3 bits.
Yes, sir.
So we can write here 1675. We can write separate here now. So 1 को 1 लिखने का 421 फार्मूला अप्लाई करो. 4020 is 1 here now. 1. 4 plus 2 is 6 here now. 4 को 1 और 2 को 1 लिखो. 0 को 1 को 0 लिखो. Yes. We know that
Yes,
one.
sir.
421 formula, you know that one very well. Here how much is there? 1 is there. So only 1 को 1 लिखने का, बाकी सब दोनों का 0 लिखने का. 0 0 1 हो गए. इधर कितना है?
6.
6 is there. 4 plus 2 is nothing but 6 here now. 4 को 1 लिखने का, 2 को 1 लिखने का, 1 को 0 लिखने का. 1 1 0 हो गए अभी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7 है. 4 plus 2 plus 1 7 हो गए. 1 1 1
7.
लिखने का. 5 है इधर. 4 plus 1 is
4
nothing but
5.
101.
So 4 and 1 को 1 1 करने का, 2 को 0 करने का. 101 है इधर. Like that you have to write down here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is in the point में है, point में भी ऐसे यूज करने का. Same formula we have to apply for the point here now. We have to write the octal number. Octal number हमें लिखने का, ऐसा 1 को बाइनरी में कन्वर्शन करने के लिख देने का डायरेक्टली. If it is octal number, see here, कहाँ गए वो? हाँ, this one. Here 1675, 1675 इधर लिखा है. पॉइंट को पॉइंट लिखने का और बाइनरी के 6 को क्या है वो लिखने का, 4 को क्या है वो लिखने का, लास्ट को. These all things point we have to add here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, the very important thing is that is called octal to the hexadecimal number here now. Here for the octal to the hexadecimal number, actually first octal number we have to convert into equivalent binary को conversion करना है हमको. Octal number है ना, this octal number we have to convert into binary. बाइनरी में कन्वर्शन करने का. बाइनरी कन्वर्शन करके इधर बाइनरी में आ जाते हैं ना. अभी 3 डिजिट्स है. ऑक्टल मींस 3 बिट्स है. हमको हेक्साडेसिमल्स में कितना बिट्स चाहिए हमको? 4 चाहिए. सो 101 आया इधर. 101 इसको ऑल कंटिन्यूअसली लिखने का हम. 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 ऐसा लिख के क्या करने का, इसको बाद में 4 4 का नंबर डिजिट्स का एक एक ग्रुप बनाने का. अभी 4 4 का एक ग्रुप बनाने का. इधर लास्ट 1 रखा तो उसको आइए भी 2 0 3 0 ऐड करके इसको भी 0 ऐड कर. समझ में? फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दैट ऑक्टल नंबर इनटू बाइनरी. दैट कन्वर्टेड बाइनरी वी हैव टू राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस एंड मेक 4 डिजिट्स का एक ग्रुप बनाने का. उसको नेक्स्ट हमने हेक्साडेसिमल में कन्वर्शन करने का. 8421 फार्मूला अप्लाई करो. इधर 8 है. 8 plus 4
12.
12 is nothing but
C.
C. Here 4 plus 2 6. There 0 is
6.
all 0 0 you can write down here. All 0 is there. 0 you can write down. So this is the procedure for octal to the hexadecimal number. So here 154 is there here now. So first 1 को हमने बाइनरी में कन्वर्शन करने का 001 आ गए, 5 को 101 आ गए, 4 को 1001 हो गए. अभी ये कन्वर्टेड बाइनरी है ना, इसको कंटिन्यूअसली लिख देने का हमने इधर 000 0001 और 4 का ग्रुप बनाने का है, 4 का ग्रुप बना के हमने लिख देने का है. इज इट क्लियर? इफ इट इज पॉइंट में है तो भी ऐसे ही करने का, पॉइंट इधर पॉइंट रखने का, इसका आगे कितना नंबर रहते हैं उसको देने का, और वो भी पॉइंट के हिसाब से उसको 4 का ग्रुप बनाने का लास्ट को. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So meeting will ends in 1 minute, less than 1 minute. So immediately join again. Once again you join it. Today we'll finish the number system. और 2 क्लास में कंप्लीट करेंगे. तुमको भी टाइम आने वाला है, बहुत कम स्ट्रेंथ है. आफ्टर एंड द मीटिंग एंड होने के बाद इमीडिएटली